think the appreciation should always be taken as a positive, and it should drive you to do better. So I think that's what the basic principle is. उसको अगर बहुत प्रेशर के रूप में जाए देखोगे तो फिर as they say in sport, your eyes off the ball.
Yes.
You can't afford to do that.
You should focus on what you're supposed to do. क्योंकि लोग बोलते हैं कुछ अच्छा बोलते हैं कुछ बुरा बोलते हैं, but I think at the end of the day, as an actor, you have to be focused on your job. You cannot afford to listen to too many opinions.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I am Rashita Sahani, and today joining me for a super interesting conversation are KK Menon and Aftab Shivdasani for their upcoming show Special Ops 1.5. Hi you guys, कैसे हैं आप दोनों?
बहुत ठीक हो, आप कैसे हो?
बिल्कुल ठीक. So जब से आप लोगों का announcement हुआ of the upcoming season, promos आए and everything was out, people have this anticipation that we want to go back and see the story of Himmat Singh and all the new characters that have been a part and have been added on. Now the first season of course was a great success. Do you think the second will also leave the same impact and manage to be as successful or more?
We won't be satisfied with the same impact. It has to be much more. much more.
Okay, great. Aftab?
Well, I'm of course the same impact I had when I watched the first season as well, and then obviously to be part of season 1.5 is an amazing experience. To be part of a show that you love, that everybody loves so much. तो जैसे कि केके सर ने कहा कि हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो प्यार मोहब्बत मिला during the first season, we take it ahead to the next step and also acquire the same love and respect that we did that they did for season 1.
Okay, fantastic. And KK, we saw you play this part in the first one, and now in the second one we are seeing the past. आपका younger version दिखाया गया है and the पूरी story कैसे आप बने हिम्मत सिंह वो सब दिखाया गया है. How different was it to play हिम्मत सिंह in the first one and then in the second one?
Different एक तो ये है कि एक उम्र का तकाजा है, वो एक चीज है. और जहाँ तक 1.5 का सवाल है, ज़्यादातर मैं उसमें अपने अतीत के बारे में बता रहा हूँ लोगों को. तो ज़रूरी है कि मेरे अंदर का जो भी जवानी है फूट कर बाहर आए. तो मैंने कोशिश की और बस नतीजा आप लोगों के सामने होगा 12 नवंबर को.
And when I was watching the trailer, at first I genuinely thought it's some other actor. It's a young actor who's playing the part. So I was a little surprised to see that. So looks great.
Yeah, it looks like me, right now?
Yeah.
That's him.
Yeah. I know. It looks now when I joined the interview, I was like, oh yeah, that's him. Okay, great. And Aftab, how big a responsibility is it to join a very already popular show from its second part? Original ke baad.
Yeah, no, I think it's I think more than a responsibility, it's a privilege to join a show like this. जो लोगों ने बहुत देखकर पसंद किया. I'm just trying to contribute as much as I can to an already existing show that's done so well. So given the peripheries of what I was supposed to do, मैंने उसी दायरे में काम करके I tried to add something to the brand. But I think if I start thinking about all of that, then it will distract me from what I'm supposed to do when I'm in front of the camera. So I don't really think about all these things as actors. We just flow with it, and that is up to the writers, the directors to take the story ahead and to take the brand ahead. As actors, we try and do our part to the best of our ability, and then of course leave it to the audiences and to love and give this show some more love.
Okay, and what different will your characters, like of course Aftab, this is your first time, but KK आपने भी पहले season में play किया है हिम्मत सिंह, so हम audience के तौर पे क्या different देखेंगे from that? What else can we expect from your character?
I think, as I said earlier, it's playing the backstory of. तो वो एक नई चीज है और उसमें जो कुछ भी कहानी के अंदर जो भी बुना गया है, नीरज ने किया गया है, किया है, तो उसको हम साकार करने की कोशिश करते हैं एज एक्टर्स, और मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सही ढंग से हमने वो अचीव कर लिया.
Okay. And Aftab, what excited you the most in your role? And can you please shed some more light on, your character?
What excited me, first of all, is the fact that, like you said earlier, I was joining already a show that was, had a great name and a great amount of success to it. And of course, like I said, to be part of a show like this, to work with Neeraj sir, to work with actors like KK sir, was in itself going to be an amazing experience for me. So I wanted to be part of the show. About the character, I cannot say much because, the whole point of Special Ops is everything is revealed as you watch it, So, but I can tell you that it's an interesting character. We have a lot of work together in the show, so chemistry we have dekh sakoge show mein. So it's an interesting character, and unfortunately I can't tell you much, but मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि viewers जो interview देख रहे हैं जाकर show देखें to kind of see a little bit more about what I'm not telling you.
Definitely. Okay. And jitna bhi anticipation and love hai show ke liye, does that at any point come across as pressurizing, or does that come across as reassuring that what you guys are presenting is good enough?
Any appreciation, if it's taken as pressure, then you're disrespecting that appreciation. I think that appreciation should always be taken as a positive, and it should drive you to do better. So I think that's what the basic principle is. उसको अगर बहुत प्रेशर के रूप में देखोगे तो फिर, as they say in sport, your eyes off the ball.
Yes,
you can't afford to do that. So,
okay. Aftab, what do you feel?
I totally agree with KK sir. I think it's you should focus on what you're supposed to do. क्योंकि लोग बोलते हैं कुछ अच्छा बोलते हैं कुछ बुरा बोलते हैं, but I think at the end of the day, as an actor, you have to be focused on your job. You cannot afford to listen to too many opinions, otherwise then you lose focus. So I definitely agree with that.
Of course. And do you feel the web space has sort of managed to make the show what it is now? Earlier we saw films releasing in theaters, and then the pandemic hit us, and then all of that suddenly stopped for a bit. Now, do you feel because that happened, the web space has become so innovative now, and all of us are hooked on to it continuously? So बहुत सारे लोग अब देखना चाहते हैं, they're looking forward to what's coming on web. So do you think that's also very advantageous for new shows?
I guess so. Web gives you a little different space, a different kind of dimension to cinema, and it's kind of what I call the madhyama, the middle path. So it's like a film is about 2.5 hours, a television series is never ending to infinity, and you have a web series which is like 8 episodes, 10 episodes, kind of an optimum time to really flesh out not only the plots, but also the individual personalities involved in that story. So it gives you that optimum time. And at the same time, it's not a threat to cinema, nor to television. So each has its own space, and there'll be peaceful coexistence is what I feel.
Yeah.
So, and it's a nice medium, it's a different medium that you need to explore. And it has its own dynamics, which is very interesting. So I think it's a new medium which people are catching on to, and interesting stories are being told.
Absolutely.
Okay. And Aftab, what do you feel about it? Because web has also played a good part in your journey as well.
Yeah. Well, I think it's definitely a great medium and a great platform for actors and technicians to express themselves today. Perhaps what you will not be able to express on film before, now you can express with a little more freedom in the web space. And obviously, because there is a lot of opportunity out there, there's so much of content being made. So I think it's a great time and space for actors and technicians to explore and to express themselves. So yeah, I completely subscribe to that, and I think that it is going to be here for a very, very long time. And like Sir said, will coexist with cinema as well. Because cinema mein jo aapko jo experience milta hai theater mein, that you don't get to the OTT platform. You don't get to the web space.
Correct.
Because people go to the cinema for an experience. Of course, they want to watch a film. But that experience, sitting in an auditorium, with dim lights, with the kind of sound, and having a bag of popcorn, that experience you won't get at home. So both will have their own, nuances, their own specialities, and those who want the cinematic experience will go to the theater, and those who want to sit in the confines of their house and watch something on the web with loads of options and varieties will perhaps do that as well.
Okay. And talking about now, we are seeing 1.5. After this, will we be seeing more seasons and hopefully seeing Special Ops as a franchisee? Because I'm sure a lot of people would love that to happen.
I guess that is bound to happen. So
Okay, great.
natural progression. Yes.
Okay, perfect. And if I ask you to shell out one special reason to watch this new season of Special Ops, what would that be?
I guess we've already given our entire plate and palette to the audience in Special Ops 1. So I think they know exactly what the dish is going to be. Only thing that we have tried to do now is to make it even more interesting and more tasty in that sense. You're talking about dishes. And yeah, that's how we look at it. So we are trying to do our very best and try and up the scale, up the whole merit level. And that's what we endeavor. So I think the audience will love this particular season of 1.5.
Okay. Aftab, what do you feel about it?
Yeah, I'm because I mean this is my first time, so I'm obviously very hopeful that we can take the franchise forward. I think it's very important. Always take an existing franchise that's done so well, forward and take it to the next level. So because people expect a lot, when they watch a show and they see that the first season does really well, with all due respect, more often than not, sometimes the second season does not match the expectations of the first season, and then people get disappointed. So obviously that has been the effort to try and take it up a couple of notches and to try and raise the levels of excitement and, as Sir said, go into certain dimensions of the show that perhaps have not been explored in season 1. So I think that is what people are going to see in season 1.5, and we hope that pays off.
I'm sure. And there have been a lot of times when wo jo box office craze hota hai, that how much your movie does on the big screen, how much business it does. Now that part is not involved. Of course, the viewership is involved in the web space as well, but the money thing and people writing reports on that's not there. So how do you look at it as that that entire thing of box office is missing here?
I have missed it. So I don't know what is going on. Basically speaking, I have no idea of how the box office works. All I know is that certain business happens and succeeds or doesn't succeed. And whatever, the people who put in the money get in their profits. So it's like any other business. So it might be happening on the web space too. I have no idea how it functions. Because as actors, the lesser you know about it, the better it is, because then your focus will be on what you're doing rather than trying to put that into your head and then act accordingly.
Yeah.
Okay. Aftab, what do you feel?
I agree. I think it's very important to just focus on what it's supposed to do. Let's not get into the histrionics and the numbers, because that sometimes it takes you away from what your job is. But I'm sure that the web space has its own ways of calculating the number of eyeballs, the number of downloads, the number of views. I think that's how they work out their revenue structure. So the fact that when a show gets commissioned for the second season or the third season, you obviously have an inclination that it has reasonably done well, to then sanction the season number 2 or 3 or whatever. So the fact that they're back with season 1.5. The show has done exceptionally well. I mean, that's no hidden truth. Everyone knows that season 1 did really well. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure they have a barometer to check how many eyeballs, how many views, etc.
Okay. And Kiki, do you feel that the web space has sort of reinvented your career, as we have been telling this about Manoj Bajpayee as well, that he has been working for so long, but when he ventured into the web space, suddenly everyone started seeing the real talent, and then we saw projects after projects being successful. Same with you now. I watched today. How incredibly your part has been played, and you have the work that you have done. It's just it was phenomenal to watch. And so you tell me, how has your experience been?
एक तो दे रहा है दुरुस्त है और second thing about I completely agree with the fact that perhaps Special Ops has been my most popular work. Merit wise, I can't really decide, but popular, yes. So I guess the generations of today's generation or whatever, they perhaps didn't know most of us. We had kind of faded away in the memory. Though we were quite obstinate about Ziddi Logan. हम कंटिन्यूस काम करते थे, तो वो जिद छोड़ते नहीं है. तो but unfortunately or fortunately the releases were not good or whatever. So yeah, because of special ops, then I guess younger generation has kind of gone back to see what this chap has done earlier, you know. So there have been a number of cases in which, in retrospective, they have watched my work, and I've also gotten comments like saying, "Well, I think you have potential." Very young people, 20 in their 20s.
Yeah.
You have a very, very long future.
Yeah,
bright
long
future
future,
ahead.
bright future.
Yeah.
So all this stuff has been happening. So yeah, and I'm glad that sometime or the other, I don't think merit will go anywhere. I mean, it
Correct.
pains as long as you can sustain it. And if you're obstinate enough to carry forward in spite of all odds, sometime or the other, it will fructify. Yeah. So I don't think वो फल की इच्छा ना करो, लेकिन करते जाओ, तो मिल ही जाता कहीं ना कहीं.
Of course. Agreed completely. And Aftab, even you have been working for a long time, and we have seen every part of yours has been different from what you have done earlier. Now, even for example, this one. So, what is that one thing that you see, or maybe the most important thing that you see while locking a project for yourself?
I think like we discussed earlier, I think it's how an actor can stretch himself and stretch his own boundaries. Something that challenges you, something that takes you out of your comfort zone is something that I'm looking for right now. I would say, and as an actor, that's what you should be looking out for forever. It's not just for me now. So this is something that stretched me. This is something that gave me an opportunity to work on a fantastic franchise, with a great cast and crew, and it would stretch my limits as an actor, and something in a space that I've always wanted to do. सब लोग मुझे जानते हैं ये comedy space में, ये love boy romantic space में, people haven't seen it in a very, very serious place, and that's a big aspect of my personality. I do take I have that side to me which unfortunately hasn't been explored too much. So this show gave me an opportunity to explore that space, and hopefully that people will see me again in a different light.
Great, I'm sure. Okay, thank you so much for joining in. It was great pleasure chatting with you too. All the very best for the show.
Likewise.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.